good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Crisalina Pernosa Ogamata, 30 years of age, single, from San Lorenzo, City of Ilagan. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the youngest child of the family. I am a college graduate. I took Bachelor in Agricultural Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a helper for 2 years to a couple and 1 daughter. She is 4 years old. And I do all the household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and my main duty is taking care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If she is sick, I will always check her temperature and call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family through financial.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My parents and my sisters.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will just focus on my job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleeping around 10 p.m. and wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will just be patient and calm myself, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your helper. I am a hardworking, responsible.
Okay, thank you.